How to change Facebook profile to digital creator. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on your device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on your profile. Then tap on three dots. Now tap on turn on professional mode. Then tap on turn on. Now wait for some time. Then tap on next. Again tap on next. Again tap on next. Now tap on confirm. Again tap on next. Then tap on next. Now tap on skip. Now tap on go to professional dashboard. Now simply go back. Then tap on three dots and tap on edit. Then scroll down. Now next to details, simply tap on edit. Now next to profile, tap on the pencil icon. Now search for digital creator and tap on it. Now select it and click on save. Then go back, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.